Okay, so today we're going to finish up our colored pencil techniques. We're going to start with blending techniques. Blending can be done several ways. The first way I'm going to talk about is with an eraser. And I have a few different kinds of erasers. I have this pen one, I have a kneaded eraser, and a vinyl white eraser. So I'm going to start by putting two colors down. I'm just going to do a light application using this broad application. So I'm going to put a blue down, and a violet next to it. And then I'm just going to take my eraser and kind of lightly rub across the top and just kind of smears it together a little bit. Give it a little more pressure if it's not quite smearing enough yet. You can see on the eraser it did pick up a little bit of the blue. So I'm going to clean that off a little bit. I'm going to go into the violet this time and smear it that way a little. Just kind of lightly mixes them together. And I'll do it again right here with the blue and the violet. And then I'll just try kind of this white eraser pen tips eraser. And you can see how it's just kind of smearing it. It's not really erasing it, it's mixing it together. A little more obvious than the vinyl one, so I think I'll go back over the vinyl one just one more time. See if I can get that to blend just a little more. And then the kneaded eraser, a little darker on that one, oh well. I'll lightly mix it together a little bit with the kneaded eraser. The kneaded eraser is going to erase more than the white one will. Okay, so that's with an eraser. You can also blend with a lighter color or white. So I want to mix this blue and violet still, so I'm going to put my blue down first. Then I'm going to put my violet down. And they're not really mixed together yet, so I'm going to grab my white. And put it on top, and it mixes into a blue-violet. A lighter blue-violet, but it mixes a little bit better into blue-violet. You could also do that, if I had blue and the yellow green and a darker green, I can put my blue down first, put my darker green on top, and then use my lighter green. It's going to turn out more green than blue, just to get it kind of mixed together.
Please admit, freshman.
And the last blending technique is with a stump. And the stump, you just rub it to blend. Rub to blend. So what that means is I'm going to take my blue, make my blue go a little bit further this time. And take my green, my light green, put that on the end, but I'm also going to let it overlap right here. And this is my blending stump. They come in several different sizes. I have a smaller one and a bigger one. I'm just going to take my smaller one right now and kind of blend them together a little bit, mix them together a little. And you can see what happens just even to the plain blue if I use the blending stump on it. It just kind of smooths it off, gets rid of that texture some. Now, to clean this off, I grab this sanding paper, and I just kind of roll the blending stump, because I want to keep that point, so make sure it kind of rolls. You don't want to go to the tip and flatten it. Kind of roll it to clean it off. And that'll clean it off pretty well. And that's it for